Good morning from this side of the camera at least. And then when I face to starboard, the sun is in my face. Well, it reflects in the water and then it comes into my face. We are moored in Falkenberg, Sweden, along a push barge pontoon. Yesterday I came from sea and I decided to moor in Falkenberg. Actually, you know how fond I am of dropping anchor. I had the idea to drop anchor, let's say approximately 3, 4, 5 miles more south next to Falkenberg. But after all these hours of swell at sea, I thought, well, this is a bad idea to drop anchor in an unprotected area. It was just in front of the coast, and then have this swell all the time. Man, bad decision. So Falkenberg was close by and I came into the canal. So from the entrance to where I am now, I think it is 1 nautical mile, perhaps less. And when I saw the serval guest ham over here, where you are allowed to moor, they always have this red sign or a green sign. So the moment that you can use that berth or the spot on the jetty, then it is green, or if not, then it is red. And on the last guest ham there were different messages, very old information, old red signs. So I thought, yeah. And then all of a sudden there was this green sign looking at me, the push barge. Yeah. So I thought, well, that must be a sign from the cruising gods. You can moor over here. And they had some fenders out, yes. And that is why I moored over here next to the push barge. And I had a lovely Saturday evening. So, it's Sunday. It is 8:45, 8:45, and it's time to go to church. So I suggest we start the engines. We release the lines, and off we go. And then over here we have this kustbevakning office. Some paddle boarders. Wow! So this is how the sea also can look like a pond. Let's wait what the sea brings us today, but for now it looks very, very, very nice. Very nice. Oh, by the way, I think it was somewhere in 2023 that social media presented me pictures of boaters who cruised in the Gothenburg archipelago in Sweden. And when I saw that, I was in awe. So in summer of 2024, I decided to go and check out those surroundings myself. This video is a part of a series in which I share my trip to this Gothenburg archipelago and back to the Netherlands. And the series shows you my trip through Germany, Denmark and Sweden. And every day that I cruised during this trip results in at least one video. So chances are that I am physically already back in the Netherlands, whilst I still share the new horizons and surroundings of this archipelago. But hey, that is why a video like this is called entertainment. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Ladies and gentlemen, an update from the wheelhouse. There is hardly to no swell, a little bit movement in the water. I am running on one engine at the moment and the engine runs almost 2300 RPM. What? Yes. Almost 2300 RPM, and that gives me a speed of 7.8 knots. Next to us is pull push barge Schweizer Gaia. He made a call on VHF 16 requesting if it was okay if he would overtake me on the starboard side, of course. And he is pushing for sure. Some waves will come astern, but what I will do, I will alter my course then and try to surf the waves. His speed is 10.6 and I am at 8 at the moment. Let me check if everything is stored away properly, because these waves will make the boat dance like a disco queen. Yep, here are the waves. I'm surfing the waves right now. I have no idea if you can see it. Well, that was all. Still, it is a beautiful day, and well, there is a little bit of movement on the boat and on my AIS target lists, which give me the information of all the boats in a certain range. And there pops up a boat that we have seen in previous videos. It's called Lady Liselot, and Jen and Elena are heading for the same spot as I. It is their home marina. And yeah, the screen says alarm, alarm, alarm. And that is because I have a safety zone of 5 nautical miles in my software. And the moment that a boat approaches this safety zone, then the software will tell me, be aware, there is somebody close to you. Well, 5 nautical miles is a long range, but at least then I am alert. I even can add a sound. Woo! I did not install that. You did not? No, I did not. Oh man, it's a pity. I know. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome in Denmark. Three, 400 meters for the entrance of Gilleleje, and the chart says possibly strong current in front of the entrance. So let's have a look how that is today. But the boat that went in front of me, it did not look like it. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome in Gilleleje. So what I will do is I will float a little bit, steer a little bit. Ah, there is Jan. Okay, he made a move. He showed me the way. Slowly. The wind is a little bit nasty. It feels as if there is no wind, but of course there is wind. How am I doing? Oh, as if I have done it before. Nice, 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 nice. All right. So, stop. That was a nice ride. That went easy. How much wind is it? Let's have a look. 6 knots. So, yeah, but it was on the bow, so it was very easy to maneuver. Look at Jan. He is cleaning his boat, giving me a hard time because he shows me this is what you do when you come in the marina. You clean your boat. Smile, you are on TV. Anyhow, let's have a look at position 3 for the rear camera. I believe that we have a couple of centimeters left exactly. Very nice. Beautiful spot. So I will walk around for the lines and then we call it a day. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you liked this video also, so let me know by giving the thumbs up. And for now, do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye. Cleaning up his boat. Jeez. Look at him. I will ask him if it's possible to do my boat also. But I don't think that our friendship is that close.